Today's book is called The Night Owl Goes to Space by Miss Kim C.Lee. For this last craft idea, we are going to go with the constellations, which are found on several pages just like this in the book. So we decided to take this and turn this into an activity. And we're going to go with the Follow Your Dreams theme because that's really the theme of this book throughout. So I'm going to show you guys two ways to do this. You're going to need some mini marshmallows, and you can see my daughter, she is gluing them onto a black sheet that she accidentally cut, but we're not gonna go there, okay? So now that she's glued her marshmallows down, she's going to connect the dots in any way that she wants to create her own constellation. Look at this. So as your child finishes their constellation, you guys see how this could also look like a map, right? Like you're going on a journey and you're going to different places in your rocket ship. Yeah, so you could actually turn this into that activity as well, where I just did this little quick makeshift rocket ship, and your child could actually use this as a map to go to the different planets, right? Look how creative this is, guys. So there's many different things you guys can do with this. Just have a lot of fun with it, but this kind of goes with following your dreams, because you know, in order to follow your dreams, you need a map, you need a guide, you need to have some kind of foundation. So that's kind of where this craft was birthed from that idea. So now that your child has made their constellation map, let's make some 3D models of some constellations. We're going to use some mini marshmallows again. We're going to use some toothpicks. And if you're not, comfortable using toothpicks with younger kids, use some spaghetti. That works as well. It's not as sharp. Really, this is it. You just have a ball with this. Do as many combinations as you can think of, and even name your constellations. Add some background to it. Y'all, sky is the limit, and have so much fun with this, okay? All right, Denise, but when I actually execute them and they turn out super cute, I'm super excited. So guess what, y'all? Today's book is called The Night Owl Goes to Space by Miss Kim C.Lee and illustrated by Vera Cisalina. You guys are just going to love this book because you're going to appreciate the creativity and you're going to love the message that encourages kids to follow their dreams, okay? Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and I am the activity author here to bring you another book inspired craft video. And if you don't know me, what's up? My name is Cheryl and I am an author, and I create easy kids crafts out of household items that are usually inspired by books by self-published authors. So if you like that type of stuff, stick around, guys, because you know I got lots of unique crafts on this channel, and I'm sure if you guys hit that subscribe button, you'll stick around. You will enjoy your stay, I'm telling you, okay?